In this video, I will show you how to export a Tableau dashboard to PDF. First, log into your Tableau account. Now, open your browser and go to the Tableau website if you're not already there. Log in using your credentials, and once inside, you will see the main workspace. On the left side of your screen, click on Explore. Scroll through the list and locate the dashboard you want to export. Once you find it, click on the three dots located at the upper right corner of the dashboard card. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, click on Download. You can choose to include multiple pages or just the current view, depending on your setup. After confirming your selection, the file will automatically download to your computer as a PDF. And that's how to export a Tableau dashboard to PDF.